Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to create a quick video that shows you how to use the taskbar on your new laptops and how to remove and add programs to your taskbar. So first of all, the taskbar is down here. It's this bottom black bar that shows you a lot of different things. The first thing you'll see is a search, and you can search for lots of things here. You can search for files, you can search for programs. It's really a nice feature. The second item you see here is Cortana. It's an assistant, a virtual assistant that you can use. Don't use it very much, so I can't tell you a whole lot about it. The next item is a task view. I'm not going to jump into that. You can explore that on your own. The next thing you see here are your shortcuts, or some shortcuts on the taskbar. First one you're going to see is Microsoft Edge, and then File Manager, or File Explorer, excuse me. If you hover over them, the names pop up. The Microsoft Store, Microsoft Email, not Outlook, but Microsoft Mail. And that's not something we use, and I'll show you how to get rid of it if you want to get rid of it. Next thing are the programs that you have open already. So I have Outlook open, and I have a couple things of Google running as well. On the far right, you're going to see some options. You see this up arrow that shows hidden icons. If we click on that, that shows you all of the programs that might be running in the background. Bluetooth, TeamViewer, there's some security protections, smartboard software, Creative, Adobe, stuff like that. The next one that you see is the OneDrive. If you see that it's syncing, you'll see it moving here. Microphone, battery, power, how much you have left, whether you're connected to Wi-Fi, speaker volume, and then date and time. So what I want to show you real quick is how to remove and add programs to your taskbar. So a lot of these things here, or some of these things here, I don't like to use. I just want to get rid of them. They just take up room, and then if I get rid of things, then I can add some things. So for example, Microsoft Edge. We don't use Microsoft Edge. It's not a great browser. Google Chrome works much better. So to get rid of it, we're going to hover on it. We're going to double tap or right click, and we're going to say unpin from the taskbar. Okay. Pinning means it just stays there. Okay. Same thing with the Microsoft Store. I don't use it very often. I don't need it on the taskbar. So I'll right click or double tap on the key on the trackpad, and I'm going to say unpin from taskbar. Microsoft Mail. I don't use it. I use Outlook. So I'm going to unpin it from the taskbar. How to put things there that you want to use. These are programs that you're going to use over and over and over and over and over again. You want a very quick shortcut, because all it takes to open a program that you have here is one click. So if I want to open the File Explorer here, I'm going to one click, and it's going to open up, and you can see that it opens up very quickly. So let's say that I want to put something else down here. I'm going to go to the Start menu. Let's say that I want to put Word. Okay. I'm going to find Word on the Start menu, and it's going to be down at the bottom. I'm going to right click or double tap, and I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to say Pin to Taskbar, and it appears right away. So now all it takes is one click, not a double click, just a single click, and it will open up Word very quickly for you. You can do that on other programs as well. Anything that you want, you can add to the taskbar the same way. So let's say that I want to add Outlook. Even though it's running, I don't have it pinned to the taskbar. So I'm going to right click it. I'm going to say More, and I'm going to say Pin to Taskbar. Okay. You won't see it show up. But however, if I open my email and then I close my email, it's still there. So all it takes is one click to open my email. That's it about the taskbar. If you have questions, please let me know.